How to show or hide game apps on home screen and app screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Gaming Hub app. Here click on three dot icon and click on Settings. Now in Gaming Hub settings, you will see third option is Show Game Apps. After click on Show Game Apps, you will see in Gaming Hub and the home screen and app screen. So if you want to show game apps to home screen and app screen, so click on this first option. After click on this first option, you will see games is showing on your app screen and home screen. So if you want to hide games, your app screen and home screen, click on this second option. After click on the second option, you will see gaming apps is hide on your app screen and home screen. So you will hide and show gaming app screen and home screen. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can show or hide game apps on home screen and app screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.